So, how are you doing, guys? My name is Canon, and welcome to another YouTube video. Today, I'm going to show you how you can install GUI on Ubuntu Server, maybe Ubuntu 20.04. That's my current version. It's on a VMware, but it will work on the same as on the normal computer. So let's say you are installing Ubuntu iOS, not iOS. I'm used to iOS. Ubuntu ISO. That is the Ubuntu. What do we call it? Operating system OS. And all of a sudden, after completion, it didn't open on the GUI. It just opened on the terminal, and you want to install GUI in that using the console. So the first thing that you need to do is enter these credentials, which is the username and the password, and then it will bring you here as root, as the root user. So what you need to do first is update your OS, which is on terminal. You do is sudo apt update, and then you enter your root password. So this will matter on your speed, your internet speed. I might pause sometimes because of not to make this video so long, so don't worry about that. So, and then after the update is complete, the next thing we need to install is TaskCell. TaskCell is a tool that is used to install the window manager in Ubuntu, and it comes hand in hand with all the package that we need to install the GUI. So follow these steps. You just say sudo apt install TaskCell, like I'm saying it like that. TaskCell. It will take time. It will take maybe some few minutes. Just say yes. This will depend with your internet speed, so don't worry if it takes maybe 3 minutes, 5 minutes. They will depend with your speed. So, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos and hit the notification bell so that you may not miss such amazing videos. Don't worry about my voice today. I have a little bit of cold, but that's not an issue as much. So after doing that, the next thing that you need to do is list all the what do you call the GUI is available for this installation. So to do that, you just say taskcell list tasks. So yeah, a few packages that you can install, but I'll just go with the normal one that goes direct to the GUI and doesn't have so many processes in between. So I'll just say sudo taskcell. So the one I'm using is sure, but it will work in any operating system, whether it's any version, that is, whether it is 22.04 and 23 point something. I think that's the latest version in 2023. So I'll say sudo taskcell install Ubuntu desktop. So even this one will take some few minutes. It will pop a GUI on your terminal, but don't worry, it might take a while. But this also will depend with your machine, your speed, internet speed, and that. So let's wait for it to start. Just be a little patient with it because it might take some time. Sorry for that. That's my phone, and So it will show something like this, and the installation will also depend with your speed. And for me, it's estimating 24 minutes, 20 minutes, and I'll pause the video until it's done. But let's wait and see. So guys, we are still moving on. I don't want to record every step of a percentage because I don't want this video to be so long. Long videos are boring, right? So just bear with me until it's complete and then I'll show you what's next. You're still on the move. Don't worry, it's about to complete. It's 41%. It's moving really fast. I hope yours is doing the same as well. 70%. Still moving on. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and like my videos. And you can let me know in the comment sections if you have any troubles, or maybe you have a suggestion of what you might want me to do in the future, maybe in terms of programming or solving some problems in terms of maybe operating system, networks, or something. Please just let me know in the comment section. Moving on swiftly. It's 92% right now, and I know it'll take less than 1 minute or approximately 1, 2, 3 minutes. So yeah, it's approximately 1 minute. Yeah, at 99%. And let's see. As you can see here, it's saying installed Ubuntu desktop. And let's see what's the next thing that we need to do. So just wait for it to complete. Don't force it. Don't do something else about it. Yeah, just wait for it to reach 100%. It's quite simple steps of doing that, and sometimes you find it very hard finding these kind of solutions. So I don't know why it's taking too long. Still installing packages, but I think the last part is the hardest. So it has reached 100%. So the next thing that you need to do after reaching 100% is reboot your system. So I'll say reboot. Sorry for this. Yeah, I'll say reboot. So I'll reboot this system. Like I said, mine might take a while because I'm using a virtual machine and oh, not reboot. Oh, it has rebooted. I thought it had rejected the request. So it's rebooting the system. Let it complete the reboot. So when it's supposed to go direct to your GUI, but let's wait for mine to boot. I'm using a VMware. It might take some time to reboot. So some might ask why I'm using a VMware instead of a normal machine. And my explanation is I don't have a good camera to zoom my desktop. So I'd rather use my my machine because I can do a screen recording unlike using a normal desktop or laptop. I won't be able to do a screen recording. So that's why I'm using VMware for now. But the solution is good, I hope. And as you can see, it opened on a graphical user interface. So with this now, I can just enter my password. If you remember the password during installation, you had the root password. Just use that to log in. That's my password, I think. And guys, I think we have something that we can interact with apart from which is not the console, which is the GUI. Give it some time to load. This might vary from laptop to laptop or the what do we call it, desktop. That depends on the speed of your machine. So mine has launched successfully, and with this now you've already installed Ubuntu 20.04 graphical user interface successfully. So if you want to install other packages, as you can see now, you have your own terminal, you have your own GUI. It's not like the console, so it will be easy for you to write some commands here. So that's all you need to know for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.